How to fix WhatsApp call reconnecting on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp call reconnecting on Android phone. First open a WhatsApp and then click these three points here in the top corner and then click settings and now go to this one here, storage and data, and then just click this one here, use less data for calls. Click on it, enable it, and then that's it. Just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then just go to settings and then storage and then click clean up. Now just you need to find here junk files or cache and then just clean it. Just clean some space and your problem must be fixed. Wait for it and then just click clean up and it will be cleaned, and that's it. Click clean up and now try again and your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.